In this video, you'll learn how to add a Zoho shortcut to your desktop. By following these steps, you will have quick access to Zoho directly from your desktop, streamlining your workflow. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Zoho homepage. You can do this by typing zoho.com into the address bar and pressing the Enter key. Wait for the Zoho homepage to fully load, ensuring you are on the correct site before proceeding. Next, locate the address bar at the top of your browser window. Click on the URL in the address bar to highlight it. This action allows you to easily copy the link to Zoho, which you will need for creating the shortcut. After that, resize your browser window to make it smaller. You can do this by moving your mouse to any corner of the browser and dragging it inward. Reducing the browser size will help you see both the desktop and the browser at the same time, making it easier to create the shortcut. Once your browser is resized, click and hold the highlighted URL in the address bar, then drag the URL down to your desktop area. You will see a small icon or shortcut being created as you move the URL. Release the mouse button to drop the shortcut onto your desktop. To confirm that the shortcut was created successfully, look for the new icon on your desktop that represents the Zoho link. You can double-click this icon to test it. Doing so should open Zoho in your default web browser, allowing you to access the site quickly. This process creates a direct link to Zoho on your desktop, saving you time in accessing the platform. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your browser is functioning properly and that you have enough space on your desktop to create new icons. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.